Hello there, welcome back. Today I'm going to draw a pumpkin. So grab your pencil, eraser, sketch pens and let's start together. First, let's draw a circle and then let's draw upside down U and another one in the center. Now draw a U shape at the bottom. From here, let's draw the C shape on both the sides. Now let's draw the stem part. Draw a slight curve on both the sides. Let's erase it and draw it into a perfect shape. Now let's draw the vine and the leaves. And then let's draw the eyes and the mouth. Using a black marker or a black sketch, let's draw the outline. So, after completing the outline, let's erase it and start the coloring. Okay buddies, that is all for today. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.